Guys, so I just figured out I can do this. I don't know how, but I can do it. Watch this. Whoa. Well, let's try this. Man, I wish I knew I could do that a long time ago. Guys, it's here, it's in the studio. We're gonna unbox it today. We're gonna look at it for the first time, have it in our hand. Everybody has that mist color that they have. I got it in the pine green. Let's check it out. Guys, you know the deal. Before we start the video, remember, like the video, comment down below, let's get into a conversation, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified every time we post a video. I wanna say thank you guys because we got to the 100 subscribers today and that's a huge accomplishment for me. I've always wanted to do this. I finally jumped in and we're at 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. But now, come on in, let's take a look at this. All right, guys, we're finally here. We're finally at the moment I've been waiting for. Guys, I've said it over and over and over again. You guys know OnePlus is my favorite phone company. I've absolutely loved all their phones, not only because they make a really good phone, but because you basically get all the flagship features that other phones have at a much, much cheaper price. And you don't have to compromise. And that's what I really like about this company. They give you what you want at a price that you want. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and open the headphones. I've never really seen these before. So let's see, they came free with the order. If you pre-ordered the OnePlus, you get the headphones for free. So let's see how these look. I'm not a huge fan of the artwork on it, but oh, that's pretty cool though. Oh, these are nice. This comes off here and there they are. Oh, actually these are pretty cool, man. I really like these. I'll probably do a review on these and see how these work and how they feel, but those are some pretty cool headphones, I'm not gonna lie. Let's put this on the side. Now we're gonna go to the charger. I had to pick this up, guys, because I think it's absolutely crazy that this phone has an actual wireless charger that charges 50 watts wirelessly, not like any other company that, you know, I mean, this charges faster wirelessly than other companies do wired, which I think is insane. So I had to pick this up. I think this is really cool, especially to put it next to my nightstand. We got Never Settle, and there it is, guys. Look at that. Super, super nice little charger. Sits just like that. In the box, you have some literature, and of course you have the famous OnePlus that's about it. There's nothing else in the box, but that is a pretty cool charger, guys. Look at that. You just set the phone and you got 50 watts wirelessly. I mean, I can't wait to try that out. That's gonna be really cool, guys. And now, move that to the side. Now we're gonna go into what we've all been waiting for, guys. I've been so excited since I heard this phone announced. I mean, we're gonna do a lot of reviewing on this. You know that they partnered up now with Hasselblad, and we have to see, is the partnership, was it worth it? I think they're spending, what was it, $150 million in 3 years. That's a lot of money, guys. So, I mean, it has to work. So we're gonna take a look at this and see what this looks like. Oh man, guys, this is, oof. There it is, guys. I'm excited. I'm gonna put it down because I wanna get what's in the box first. Pop this guy out. In here we have some literature, welcome, quick start guide, the OnePlus stickers that always comes with the boxes. Is there anything else in there? Nope, that's it. We have, again, the OnePlus cable, comes with pretty much everything. And guys, Samsung, iPhone, Apple, what's going on? Look at it right here, man. This is it. It's not a big deal. Just include it in the box. It's not a big deal. Here it is. Not only is it here, it's a warp charge 65 watt. So this guy can charge your phone extremely, extremely, extremely fast. And I mean, it's not a big deal, guys. You guys should, all the other companies, add it. It's not a big deal. All right, let's go ahead and move this to the side and let's look at the bad boy here. Well, I decided to go for the pine green color. Everybody else I see that got the review units got that mist color, that mist silver I think it's called. It's not bad, it's just a finger prick magnet. So I like this because this is matte. So let's see what this looks like. This is the first video I've actually seen with this color. And man, look at that. Wow. That is a nice color, guys. Man, these guys, again, I don't know how they do it, but they always make a phone that it feels right, man. It just feels good in the hand. It looks good. It's lightweight. It's just a nice phone. I can't complain. I mean, I love it. And here's the last thing that I got here, guys. I got this also. I wanted to try it out. I love these I'm a huge carbon fiber fan, as you can tell. So I wanted to see what this case looks like. This is a very nice case. So let's put that to the side. Let's put the phone in the case. And there you have it, guys. OnePlus, Hasselblad partnership. Is it gonna work? I don't know. I'll let you know in a couple of weeks. I am gonna do a lot of testing on this. I'm gonna do a lot of testing with the S21 Ultra. I'm gonna do with the iPhone 11, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna test out the cameras. I'm gonna test out the phone. I'm really gonna dive into it because this is what the OnePlus was all about this year, was this partnership. Apparently Hasselblad, the partnership is mainly focusing on the color profile that it adds to the pictures. So I'm gonna go really deep into it, check it out, see how good it is, because as of right now, we guys know that the S21 Ultra right now is the top dog when it comes down to cameras. I mean, they killed it this year. OnePlus, you kind of have to make up for it. So let's see what you guys did. Hasselblad, let's see if that $150 million paid off. So let's check it out, guys. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and review this guy for you. I'll have that video up in a couple of weeks. That way with a full review, camera review, and then I'm also gonna do a comparison versus, again, the S21 and also the iPhones, so we can see if the camera is good, if it's better, if it's worse, what's going on, guys. So let's take a look at this. All right, so there you go, guys, unboxed right in front of you. This is that green color, guys. It looks amazing. I love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to test this, to test the cameras, to test the phone, to see really how good it is. But again, I'm really excited, guys. In the next couple weeks, stay tuned because we're gonna have a couple of videos on this guy and we're gonna see, is OnePlus moving up to flagship status? We're gonna have to find out. Guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.